Hi friends, here are the steps to make 3D effects in Microsoft Word 2013 document in Windows 8. Open any Microsoft Word 2013 document. Under Insert tab, click Picture and then select the picture that you want to insert. Under Format, click Picture Effects and select Bevel from the drop-down list and then select the appropriate bevel style. To define more 3D effects on your picture, select 3D options. In Format Picture tab, under 3D Formats, select appropriate options under Top Bevel, Depth and Lighting. Scroll up to Collapse 3D Format and then expand 3D Rotation. In 3D Rotation, select appropriate presets and rotation options. Wasn't that helpful? Thanks for watching.